All right. Hello, hello, hello. Well, yes, look at this. My name is Angie Fitness TV, and I've been teaching rebounding for 27 years. This is the ultimate BCAN review. All right, you guys, there's a lot of different rebounders out there, but today I am reviewing the two BCAN rebounders. Listen, my reviews are honest, they are authentic, and they are very real. So right here, you guys, I am looking at the professional grade BCAN rebounder. This is the soft landing rebounder that has come out on market, and I absolutely love it. And this is their what I call their older standard BCAN that most of you may already have. And this one is on Amazon. This is like a night and day difference. BCAN does a beautiful job with their rebounders. They listen to the customers who said, hey, I want a higher grade professional rebounder from your company, and they created the soft landing rebounder. Now you're going to notice I have green and black. So what makes the standard rebounder different than the new professional and much improved rebounder here? Well, first of all, you can buy the soft landing rebounder 40-inch in all green. Green is the softest bungees that they have, and it's for your lighter weight individuals. It gives a nice, smooth, and soft bounce. You can also buy this new soft landing rebounder in a mix of green and black in 48-inch and all black in 48-inch. So they are really catering to all body weights. So what else do I want to tell you? Also, the legs are improved, and my bounce right here is 50%. Like, say if 10 were the firmest, all black, 1 is all green, the softest bounce, and 10 is all black. I have it at a 50%, so it gives me a middle of the road bounce. That is what I like about it. They use higher quality materials. They upgraded the legs, and they really did a phenomenal job catering to light and heavy weights. So the 40-inch you can buy in all green. That's for lighter weights. Or if you want the ideal mix and you're not sure, you can buy the 48-inch green and black. Or if you're at that heavier weight and you want more of a professional BCAN grade, you could buy it in all black. Now I'm going to talk about their old standard model. It just comes in the black bungees. You don't get to mix it. The bounce is the bounce that you get. The legs are straight legs. So I'm showing you the main differences. The legs are straight legs right there, as you can see it. And these legs right here on the professional entry level, they are a little arched, and that is similar to the jump sport legs as well. I will also, just so you guys know, in the description box below, I have a PDF of the main differences of these rebounders and why you might want to buy the standard and why you might want to buy the entry level professional grade. First of all, okay, so I will have that in the description box below. I will also have the link to both rebounders. Now, the other thing I want you to take into consideration is you're going to go in that description box, you're going to click the PDF, and you're going to see the chart of the main differences. And also, you are going to watch, before you even buy the standard or the professional, you are going to watch the full setup tutorial of each one. That may make up your mind right there. This one may look easier. BCAN does a phenomenal job at a full setup and tutorial. This one, the professional one, we had to set up. This standard comes partially assembled, but you're still going to have to do work. That may make up your mind as well. So I'm going to jump on the standard BCAN. Now, my bounce for me, this is a very firm bounce. I am 126 pounds. It's all about pressing down into the mat. It is a very firm bounce for me, I have to wear my tennis shoes when I am on this BCAN rebounder right here. Do some out and in so you can see the mat move, right? Just like this. All right, now watch. I'm going to come on the professional soft landing BCAN rebounder, night and day difference in the bounce. It is more uniform, it is more smooth, and it just gives a little more smoothness as I'm pressing down into the mat. Remember, if I wanted a softer feel of the bounce, I'm going to add more green. If I want a firmer bounce feel, I'm going to add all black. Come to the front. And I have to be honest with you guys, the bounce, it's kind of like night and day. It feels more uniform all throughout the entire bounce. When I'm landing, they did a really good job upgrading their BCAN rebounder from the original. Now here, the bounce doesn't feel uniform and it doesn't feel as smooth. It's just, when you get on these two, you can really tell the difference. This is what I'm going to tell you all. There's not a lot of money. There's not a lot of difference in the price point. There is. Obviously, this is going to be a premium entry-level rebounder right here. This is going to be simply your entry-level rebounder right here. You will get a lot more use out of this one, and you will absolutely love the feel of this soft landing BCAN rebounder over their older standard version BCAN rebounder. All you need to decide on this one, do you want the 40-inch all green because you're lighter weight? Do you want the 48-inch with a mix of black and green? Or do you want this in all black because you're heavier in weight? Now, one of the reasons you may not be able to choose this one is that this is in your price point and this is all you can afford. And I will tell you, it is a great start. It is not a forever start. It's not going to last forever, but it's really good if you want to see if you like rebounding or not. Now, this is a one to buy if you're like, you know what? I just want to spend a little extra money on their newer professional updated BCAN, and I want more of a uniform, smooth bounce. What that does is that creates, when you have a nice, smooth, uniform bounce, it's beautiful on the joints. It's less jarring on the joints. It's more uniform. It's more smooth. So in your workouts, your body, the brunt of your joints don't overload or they're not doing too much. So this is going to be great if you have joint issues, if you're coming back from surgery, you need a smooth bounce. You don't need a jarring bounce. So I have a discount for this rebounder. I also have a discount for this rebounder. So go in the description box below, click the link, and if you have any questions for me, join my private Rebounding for Health and Fitness group. We have 75,000 members, and you can talk to me one-on-one, or you can reach out to me. Again, I've been doing this 27 years. I really don't recommend too many rebounders, but I am just in love with their new and improved soft landing rebounder. So absolutely 100%, this is a ding, 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 ding. It's a great buy. This is not a bad buy. I'm not saying it, but it's much improved and upgraded. This is going to give you a lot longer on this rebounder, and you're going to love the bounce. So I hope this has helped. Until next time, subscribe, share, and follow. Goodbye.